Hi everyone, National Wireless here. In today's video we're going to go through the Hytera MNC360, showcasing what comes inside the box as well as a breakdown of each part and their features. As you can see, you are provided with all the hardware to begin your POC journey. First up we have the fist mic. This is a lightweight fist mic with an IP54 rating that feels great in the hands. It has a large front speaker with the push to talk clearly visible on the side. On the back is the mic clip that works with the bracket that comes inside the box. The cable has a 10-pin connector that plugs directly to the front of the radio. Next up is the 3-meter DC power cable. This cable has a 5-pin connector that plugs into the back of the radio. The radio operates on 12 volts, meaning a voltage converter may be required. It has the standard positive and negative as well as the blue ignition sense, allowing the radio to turn on when the vehicle starts up. You are provided two LTE antennas that screw into the back of the radio. The two external antennas improve the receive sensitivity by 3 dB. The smart switch enables the MNC360 to operate two SIM card carriers and will always select the best network available. This further improves coverage and the quality of communication. Next up is the GPS antenna. This assists with locational services and comes with a magnetic base for ease of installation. You're provided a fuse, just your standard screws for installation, as well as the mic bracket, which easily slots in and can be installed via the screws provided. The bracket provided is lightweight and strong. It has 4 screw holes for stability when installing. The bracket allows the radio to swivel up and down, giving you the best visibility options. The radio gets locked in by the clips and can be easily removed by the lever at the back. Now it's time for the star of the show, the MNC360. The MNC360 has a large 4-watt built-in speaker. The power button is located just above. The menu and call buttons are large, making them easier to navigate. The MNC360 has a 2-inch LCD display. Below the screen is 4 programmable piano keys. These keys are easily accessible and clearly marked. On the left is the fist mic port, and above this is the emergency button, clearly visible. The volume knob is large and rotates with ease. On the left side of the radio there is a micro USB port, as well as a 3.5mm audio jack, protected by a cover. On the bottom is where you have the options to place up to 2 SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. This is also protected by a cover. On the back of the radio you have your main antenna connector, the GPS antenna connector, as well as the diversity antenna connector. You also have your power inlet, as well as your external speaker port. You can also see how the bracket connects to the radio with the clips. Next I'll show you how the bracket connects with ease. The radio is easily connected to the bracket. The bracket has 2 clips that are controlled by the lever at the back. To connect the radio, you just push down until you hear a clicking noise. It's now connected. It's just as easy as to disconnect by just using the lever at the back. This is a view of the radio fully assembled with the GPS antenna on the right, the 2 external antennas, as well as the fist mic. When the radio is installed, the bracket is easily swiveled up and down to give you the best visibility options. And finally, the back of the radio with all the antennas connected. The main antenna, the diversity antenna, and the GPS antenna. This was a general overview of the features of the MNC360, and there'll be more videos on the MNC360 capabilities. If you'd like to trial the radio or have any more questions, please get in touch. Thanks for watching.